Hey there, and welcome to the Ferrer Digital Marketing FAQ. In this video, we're answering some of the most common questions about who we are, what we do, and how we can help your business grow online. Let's dive right in. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is how businesses connect with people online. It covers things like websites, social media, email, search engines, pretty much anything that helps you reach customers through the internet. Can I hire your services? Super easy. Just reach out and tell us what you're looking for. Once we understand your goals, we'll build a custom solution that fits your needs and your budget. What services does your company offer? We offer PPC management, landing page design, copywriting, and blog content services. Whether you need more leads or just a stronger online presence, we've got you covered. Delivery time. Every project is unique. Once we know the scope, we'll give you a clear timeline up front, so you always know what to expect. No surprises. Just results. Will I have support for questions? Absolutely. You'll get full support directly through our website. We answer questions daily, so you're never left hanging. How can I make a payment? You can pay easily and securely using your credit card through Stripe. It's fast, safe, and hassle-free. Why is digital marketing important for companies today? Because it works. Digital marketing helps you reach the right people, build brand awareness, generate leads, and turn those leads into loyal customers. It's the heartbeat of modern business. What kind of results can I expect from online advertising? That depends on your industry and goals, but with a solid strategy, you can expect more traffic, more leads, better engagement, and a higher return on investment. It's all about smart, data-driven growth. Still have questions? Check out our website or explore the other videos in this playlist. And if you're ready to grow,